Welcome to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel for new review videos. Let's go to see video. Adapts to facial contours. Braun's unique sonic technology with 10,000 micro vibrations capture more hair while gently gliding over the skin. Li-ion battery with a 60-minute life and 5-minute quick charge, this razor is powered to last. Includes 4-in-1 smart care center that intelligently selects a cleaning program, hygienically cleans, lubricates, dries, and charges your razor, cleaning cartridge, travel case, cleaning brush. Made in Germany, this wet and dry shaver is 100% waterproof and can be used with foam, gel or even under the shower. The new high-quality coating is smudge-proof and includes 3 layers of coating as thin as human hair for a supremely sleek razor. Thanks for watching our video. Please, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to watching our new Amazon review videos.